up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network and just the tip. Today we're going over winter protection. It's actually going to be the theme of December for just the tips. And the real question is, how do we protect our car properly when going into the winter? Well, we're going to make it really simple and easy. After you wash and prep the car, pull it inside, it's dried, you're going to go and get two different products. Well, one you're going to use during your wash process. There's two different places here at Menard that we sell them, right here in our front board, and then when we move into our product side of it, into our other room, which I showed you guys before, we had the other products in here. These are your two products that you're going to utilize. One is super simple and easy. It's called Hydro Light. This is what you're going to use during your wash process. You wash the car, you wipe the soap off. Once the soap's off the car, what you're going to do is put a spray bottle on here, walk around, or spray nozzle, walk around 1, 2, maybe 3 sprays per panel, immediately taking your hose and rinsing it off. That's going to give you a nice layer of protection, really nice beading. If you guys want to get that nice beading on your ceramic coats, paint protection film, you can use this on all your glass, your wheels, your paint, basically anything is a full protection for the outside that's utilized during your wash process. If you want to take it a step further, guys, again, waxes are kind of out, reload is in. There's an SiO2 product that you're going to apply by hand when your car's inside, washed, completely dried. You're going to spray about 2 to 3 squirts onto a microfiber, brand new microfiber that is, wipe onto the panel, immediately take another brand new microfiber that's dry and wipe off. This is going to give you get you right through the winter. This is going to give you about a month in the winter. This is going to give you about, maybe 4 to 6 months if you're lucky. In the winters up here, I would probably do this maybe once every 2 months and this at least once a month. Again, that's your tip of the day. Go ahead for your winter protection. Get yourself some Hydro, get yourself some Reload. You can combo these together, wheels, paint, glass, you name it all. That's your tip. As always, guys, keep shining.